Welcome, desert wanderers. Come and hear this ancient tale, hidden in the silent sands of time, buried in this lifeless desert's veil, where life once was thriving in its prime. As brief as the short desert roses bloom, a city carved in sand, rock and stone. By hands of tribesmen built it grew, making its tale of beauty known. Fully in bloom, a rose grows from the clay, its beauty shining in every direction. The city of Petra is noble and just, they say, with a king accepting all without exception.
Veritas the Fourth, the lover of his people, is greeting you.
Welcome to our home. Let the celebration begin.
ওগুলোটা কি?
ওটার মাথায় তো ক্রাউনটা বসলো।
এটা কি হলো? বলো। এটা কি হলো?
Though even in the case of beloved kings, death comes for all, even the best. Chosen by Dushara, he is carried on his wings to Al-Khazneh for his eternal rest.
সুনামি হতে হয়েছিল।
That is how the world goes around, as all life once has its last dance. A quake has shaken all the
ওটা
ground,
কি ওটা?
where nature has its final word. No one has a fleeting chance. The desert took back the gift of life. Footprints blown over, bones whitening in the sun. The fleeting beauty of a blooming flower withers and falls as the tears from our eyes. Now there is nowhere else to run. The once thriving oasis is dry, and we must sadly bid it goodbye. Many a man has passed these pillars since. One stops and stares in silence, amazed, while another only stares at the ground, looking for treasure lost to be found. Stretching out his weary eyes, by the beauty around him unfazed, unaware of where the true value lies. Alas, times change, and here you stand, seeing, breathing amid these silent walls of stone. As pilgrims of old, you came to this land, inspired by these lost tales of old. Take this tale with you to tell, of wind and sand that killed the flame, of this ancient legacy that fell, yet chiseled in stone, in eternal fame.
শেষ শেষ
Good to meet you again.
কত বাজে
It's nice to have you, Jordan. And thanks for